guys, welcome back to my channel. Last time I showed you how I washed my face, and today I'm going to be showing you how I apply my toner. So this is my toner, Avene Gentle Toning Lotion. So I finished washing my face, and now this is the cotton pad. I don't really use the whole pad, so I just split it into two, and I use only half of it. The other half. So this toner is different, so you have to shake the bottle well, like this, and then I put it on the pad like this. So just do a tapping. Tap, 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 tap. The whole face. Avoid the eye area, the nose, and I also include the neck. Upward. The back of the ear. So always do it in an upward motion. So if you want to do this, so do it like this, and gently. Yes. Then leave it for a few seconds. That's it. See you in my next video.